Hello everyone. So today we will in React Native we will see how we can show a toaster message, okay, in Android and iOS both. So let first I will demonstrate to you so how toasted message will be look like. Suppose if they have three things, error, success and info. So if you want to show a success message, okay, so it will be look like this, okay. Let me show you again. On the top is success and niche or bottom it will be a description, same as for the error, but in the error case it will be the red color, okay. Same for the info, but it will be the into the little bit violet color. So yeah, this will learn we will learn how we can implement this. So before deep diving into this, I want to show the three main package which is using for this React Native toaster. So one which is a popular library which is used in the React Native, which is this React Native toast message, okay. So in today video we will see a example via this package. The second one will be the React Native Toastify React Native. This is also a popular library. Okay, you can see the downloader. Okay, and yeah, you can see the demo in View Expo. So in the View Expo, it will take a time to show the example. Okay, so you can also visit this website and see via your own. Okay, and if you like it, you just copy, you take a reference with this code, and yeah, just use it in your project. Okay, so see if it is the info, error, and then last warning. Okay, and this is the second message in custom color according to you, and it also support RTL support. Okay, so in the Arabic it will show in the left side. Okay, okay, so yeah, and like they are providing a very different features, so you can use this one also. This is very popular. Okay, third one will be the React Native toast notify. It is like 2 year ago, but it is also a good downloader. You can see they give animations. Okay, so in that case the toaster come on the top and top. Okay, you will see it, and if you want to remove it, you just scroll left and right, it will be close. Okay, so first we will discuss about this one, React Native toast message, and the rest you will check out your own. So I already show you the demonstration. I will firstly show you how the code will be look like. So I have created only the app.txt file. So in order to use this React Native toast message, you just have to install this package. Okay, see this one. So after running this command, okay, in your terminal it will be installed, and then you just have to do cd ios, go to this ios directory, and then do the pod install. Okay, after that it will there no need to do anything. Then after that you just have to import this package in your root of the directory. Okay, which is like a index.js or app.js. I recommend you can use this one into the app.js. So first you have to import this one, and then in the bottom you will see a toast component. Okay, so you just have to use this component into your return file. You just write it into anywhere of your index app.js, and whenever you are using this one, okay, So you have to create three button. Okay, you can customize according to you. In this video I will only show you like how it is look like and a little bit example. So you have a button. So whenever API call, that time you just call that function show success toaster. So this function call this one, and via this toast message. So if you, the message which is coming on the top of the header of your mobile, which is coming because of this, so toast show. Okay, similar for the error toast show, and same for the info also toast show. But the different with which is the type. The type will be for the success, it will be the success type. For the error it will be the error, and for the info it will be the info. And it has two other props also. Okay, the second prop will be the title, and the third prop will be the description. It is the optional one. Okay, same for the error and info one. So yeah, so that's all about in this video. I think there is no doubt in this video. You can use it your own for the reference. You can go through the code. Okay, you can use you can if you do not understand or you want to use this code, you just pause that video and then write it your own. Okay, and you can use ChatGPT also to get a code. And the rest two package, which will be Toastify React Native. Okay, this one and this one, you can check out your own. If you face any issue, you just pin me in the comment chat. I will create a video for that. And if you face any issue, you just comment me. I will solve your issue whatever you are facing. Okay, so thanks for the watching for this video. In this we will meet in the next video. Okay, if you want any specific video, you just comment me. I will make a video for that one. Okay, thanks for now. We will meet in the next video.